Morning, everyone. I just acquired this s320 Mercedes. It's a 1995 model. It's the long wheelbase, 4 doors. It has the big 6-cylinder in it, and it's gas, not diesel. I got this from a very good friend of mine, and when they purchased it, they never heard it run. They actually purchased it from a shop on a mechanic's lien, and I purchased it from them, so I have no idea whether this car runs or not. I can tell you for sure the 4 tires turn and the brakes work. I know this because we towed it with a tow strap to my home, and the car never run into the back of my truck, so I know the brakes work. That's all I know about this car. So I thought it would be interesting to take this car from its beginning today, not knowing anything about it, and take it to a running, restored condition. We'll go through and we'll replace the grille. I kind of like the grille with the big Mercedes logo on the front. If you notice, the emblem on the front is missing on the hood. That always happens because when it goes through a car wash, what's the first thing that gets knocked off? So we will replace that. And we will check this car out and see what it needs to put it back into a running condition. This car had been broken into, and the radio was busted out of the dash. So when they done that, of course, they done a lot of damage to the console. They broke it. I've kind of stuck it back in place, but it is broken. The gear shifter doesn't want to go down into the drive position. I'm thinking it's something to do with the shifter itself. So we'll have a look at that, see what's going on there, repair some of the damage here. So all the stuff to the console that needs to be repaired, we'll do that step by step, and I'll show that, what tools I needed, where I got the parts, how much the parts cost, and then the ease or the trouble that was encountered replacing the parts. So then that way, if you have a 320 and need parts replaced, you can kind of get an idea of what you're going to experience. Or if you're interested in purchasing a 320, you'll be able to see what kind of work would be required. The seats, well, you know, it's a 95 model, so that's got some cracks. So we'll see what we can do about some softening to the leather, some repair work. We'll just kind of take it step by step and kind of go from there. Also, on this car, the battery in these cars are in the trunk. And so, obviously, whoever stole the radio busted the trunk open and stole the battery. So I have to hold it down with a tow strap because the latch is busted. So I'll have to repair the latch, so you'll be able to see what's needed and what's done and how much it costs to repair the latch on this car. And the back window, I don't know if I can get it at an angle that you can see some of them cracks, but it is shattered. Somebody hit the back window with something and just shattered the back window. So we're going to also replace the back window on this car, so you'll be able to see what kind of work's involved and how much money it costs to repair the back window. So I thought I would invite everyone on this little adventure on restoring this car to its running original condition, and we'll just see where it takes us. Maybe we can get it running. All right, check you later.